Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to answer about this one in here. So we can see that we have 8 and from A they go to B. That means from this location in here, velocity they will go in here from A to B. So 8, the direction that is for velocity, that is about number 2. Later that at B, this is about the turning point. So because there is nothing for velocity in here, so this location in here, V equals to number 0. So because they go in here, then they go down. So this one, that is 0. From C, velocity they will go down in here. So that means we have number 6. And we know that A, B, C, these three locations in here, they will affect by gravity. That's about vector G in here. So A, B, C, they will go to number 6. Now about D, E, F, we can see that this one, that is about the circle. This is the big circle in here. So D, they will go in this way. So that means we have number 6. E, they go to the left. That is about number 7. F, they go up in here. So that is about number 8. But from D to F, that is about a circle in here. So that means acceleration, they will go like this, go to the center of the circle. So D go to number 7. E go up. That means we have number 1. F go in here. So that is about number 3. Now we go to this one in here. G, they go up. Then H go in here. Then I go down in here. So we follow in the order in here. So that is about 1, 3, and number 5. J, from to this location, they will go like this. So that is about number 6. About this one, because we still have the gravity in here, so that means they will go like this for acceleration in here. So G, that is about number 4. H, that is about number 5. And I, that is about number 6. About J, because we are not on the track, so because we have affected by this one, so acceleration they go followed by gravity in here, and that is about number 5. And this is the technique how to answer this question. This is the end. Thank you for watching.